Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are fine wherever you are, and if you're watching me for the first time, then I am Pratibha and welcome to my channel where we talk about makeup and hairstyle every Wednesday and Saturday. This is the day 3 of our makeup class, and till now what we have learned is about how to identify a skin type, how to prep our skin according to various skin types, like if you're dry skin type, if you're oily, combination, normal, whatever is your skin type, how to prep your skin for makeup. So everything I've taught you in day 1 and day 2. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't watched my day 1 and day 2, I request you to please watch those videos because it is very important to prep your skin properly for a flawless makeup. So till now what we have covered is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I've told according to each and every skin type how to do this. I've also explained you what is primer, what primer you have to use if you have dry skin, oily skin, combination, everything with brands I have told you all. Today what we are going to learn is about correction and concealing. Guys, this is a very important step. For a flawless makeup, it is very important to do a proper correction of our face. So if you don't know what is correction and how to do it, so today we are going to learn in detail. So this is a very important topic. So I request you all to learn this correction because once you master this technique of correction, then your makeup will always be flawless and you will be the best makeup artist. So let's start with today's topic. First we will talk about what is correction and why is correction important. So guys, with age, we face many problems on our skin, like we face pigmentation. Pigmentation is dark near your forehead, near your lip area. So that is called pigmentation. Two-tone is also the same. We face problems of dark circles, under eyes. Monkey mouth means near your lips you have darkness. Then pimple marks, acne scars, open pores. So there are like various problems. Guys, when we have this pigmentation problem, dark under eye, what we do is we bring foundation according to our skin tone, right? We do not consider the marks that we already have on our face. We see that, okay, where our skin is fair, we just match that skin and we bring the foundation according to that. But when we apply that foundation, we come to know that our face is looking gray, or after some time it starts looking black or gray. So what is the problem? Why it happens? It happens because when you have so many dark marks on your face and you apply a foundation on top of your dark marks, so what will happen is your dark marks will mix with the foundation and it will start looking gray. Like if you consider that this is a black dress I'm wearing, and if I take a white dupatta on this, or if I keep any white thing on this, what will happen? It won't look like crisp white. Why it won't look like white? Because it has a black shadow underneath. So that you have to understand. Same happens with your skin also, guys. When you apply a foundation, but if there are black marks under your skin and that shadow is reflecting from your foundation, and so your foundation turns gray. So what you have to do, you have to solve this problem first before applying foundation. If you have dark under eyes, if you have pigmentation, if you have pimple marks, spots, don't apply your foundation directly because it will cause your foundation to become gray. So what you have to do is you have to do correction on your face. So how you have to do correction, what you have to do, everything we will see today. So to do correction, you have to understand what is the color wheel. Once you understand what is the color wheel, then very easily you can decide that which colors you have to use to hide your marks. What is the color wheel? So in color wheel, guys, red, blue and yellow, three colors which are provided to us from universe. It is already present, and from these three colors we get secondary colors, we get tertiary colors. After mixing these two colors we get orange, like yellow and red. When we mix we get orange. When we mix blue and red we get violet. When we get yellow and blue we get green. So in makeup, in fashion industry, it is very important for us to understand this color wheel. When we are doing eye makeup, everything, guys, we will need this color wheel everywhere. So you have to understand this. Today I'll explain it in a very simple manner, and when we are talking about eye makeup and all, that time also I will explain it to you in detail. So today for correction, how are we going to use this color wheel, that we will see. So as I said, red, blue and yellow already present to us from universe. Now after mixing these three colors, we get all second. Mixing red and yellow, we get orange, we get violet. So guys, if we talk about our under eyes, so what happens? Why we have under eyes? Because the blood clots in our veins. So because of that we get under eyes. But what happens? There is a blood clot in our veins. Actually the problem is in the veins. So guys, when we talk about pigmentation or dark under eyes or anything, we have to understand one thing, that whatever pigmentation we have, whatever under eyes we have, it has a dark bluish or a greenish tint to it. So what we need to understand is the problem is in our veins, the blue veins and the green veins. So how are we going to cut these problems? So what you need to understand is all the neighboring colors next to each other colors are the friend colors, and all the opposite colors are the enemy colors. Okay, they are contrasting colors, they are enemy colors. So if you want to cut the problems, if you want to hide something, if you want to kill these problems, what is the opposite color you have to see? Because friends cannot come and kill us, right? Only enemies will come and kill us. So like that you have to think, guys. So if the problem is in our blue veins, if the problem is in our green veins, so what is the opposite color to green and blue? That is orange color. So to cut our dark under eyes, to cut our pigmentation, which color we will use? We will use a orange corrector. Similarly guys, if you have like very dark skin tone, then what happens? Your problem will be more towards greenish, like all your dark circles and everything, your pigmentation will have a greenish tint to it. So in that case, you'll have to use a red corrector. All yellow paleness, dullness, you have to cut with a violet corrector. And all your red pimples, active pimples, and if you're a cool undertone and your skin is too much of red, then you have to use a green corrector. So I hope now all this is clear to you, how to use a color. Now we'll talk about the correctors in details. So guys, these are all the correctors that we get in the market. That is red or orange corrector, then yellow corrector, green corrector and purple corrector. So guys, if you have under eyes, if you have pigmentation and if you have pimple marks, acne marks, whatever two-tone, monkey mouth, for all these problems you have to use a orange corrector. Now which orange corrector we have to use, on which skin tone we have to use orange corrector, red corrector, everything I'll tell you after this guys. Now you just focus on which marks, which color corrector we have to use. So under eyes, pigmentation, pimple marks, you have to use a orange corrector. So similarly guys, now we'll talk about the yellow corrector. Yellow corrector is used to brighten the skin of warm undertone people. So people who are of warm undertone, they use yellow, like very light under eyes. They do not have much pigmentation, no pimple marks, nothing. But you just want to make their skin tone to be little fresh and bright. Then we just use a yellow corrector on them. Then next comes a green corrector. If you talk about green, then if you have redness, sunburns, everything that is red on your face, you have to kill that using its opposite color, that is a green color. The next comes purple, a cool undertone, and if you have like yellow dullness, paleness on your skin, to make your skin bright, we use a purple corrector. So guys, today I have told you which color corrector you have to use on your marks. So in the next video, I'll tell you which skin tone, like if you're fair, then which color corrector you have to use. If you're medium fair, if you're dark, which color correctors you have to use, so everything will be taught to you in detail in the next class. So guys, if you've liked today's video and you found it useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the new videos that I'll be uploading. So see you all next week. Till then, bye and take care.